These 5 After Effects plugins will completely change the way you edit and animate. Over the years, I've tested dozens of plugins, but only a handful truly stuck. The ones that save hours, cut repetitive tasks, and make motion design actually fun again. In this video, I'll show you the tools that became part of my everyday workflow and the ones that can speed up yours too. And stick around because the last one is the custom tool I built to solve After Effects' most annoying problem. Plugin number 1, Flow. Flow is a curve editor extension panel for After Effects that lets you handle easing and keyframe curve shapes outside the default graph editor. It helps you apply consistent easing curves across multiple layers or keyframe pairs quickly. You install the extension, open the Flow panel, select a pair of keyframes, and apply the curve. Instead of a rigid, you now get a smooth movement. You also get a clean UI showing your keyframe speed and acceleration visually without leaving your timeline. Plugin number 2. Text Evo. Text Evo is a text animation tool that lets you animate the text layers by letters, words, or lines via one set of controls instead of manually animating text animator groups. With the text layer selected, you launch Text Evo. It adds a control effect where you define the strength, delay, offset, etc. for letters, words, and lines. Then you animate the control rather than individually animating each letter. Huge time saver for kinetic typography or scenes with lots of text movement. It keeps the timeline cleaner and great for quick iterations. You can use it for titles, lower thirds, or blocks of moving text. If you're doing ultra custom letter by letter moves, then you might need to go manual, but for many cases, it's perfect. Plugin number 3, FX Console. FX Console is a free workflow plugin from Video Copilot that speeds up the effects/presets search. Invoke it via a shortcut, search for an effect/preset by name, and then apply it instantly. You can create and manage custom shortcuts, use snapshot feature to capture a frame and store it for reference. Why I like it is because it saves a lot of time when trying to find specific effect, especially if you, like me or a lot of other After Effects users, have a lot of presets and effects. You can use it anytime you are working and applying a lot of different effects. Plugin number 4, Animation Composer. Animation Composer is a massive library of motion graphic presets, text, transitions, motion, sounds, plus a plugin toolkit for After Effects that lets you drag and drop the animation presets instead of building everything from scratch. Install the plugin, open Animation Composer panel, browse library of presets, motion transitions, text animations, shapes, and etc. Select it, press on Add, and adjust parameters. Why I like it, it's a huge time saver, especially when deadlines are tight. You just need to add it in and then just match it to your brand and style. It's great for promo videos, social media posts, intros, etc. However, there's one caveat. If you hand off the files to somebody who doesn't have this plugin installed, it might not work for them, so beware. Plugin number 5, Template Importer. This is the custom tool that I've built because I was tired of just navigating folders, opening the template projects, dragging comps and assets each time. With one click, this importer opens the specified After Effects project and imports the comp/assets into the working project automatically. It saves time, standardizes templates usage, and reduces errors. I've seen it save days of time by reducing the import friction. You just need to install it, click on Set, choose the template, and voila! Next time you click on import, it's going to import that exact template. Its best use case is when you frequently reuse templates. Intros, lower thirds, social posts, different just visual templates, or when consistency/visual control matters. One tip, you still need to customize the template after you import it, like the color, the text, the brand styles. It doesn't do everything automatically for you. By the way, if you've been wanting to get better at After Effects, Premiere Pro, or even Blender, you can grab a 30-day free trial on Skillshare using the link in the description and learn directly from me.